That is the value at which the rate of the option will decay per day. So, on a weekly, we see the 247.50 right here. On the call side, you are going to lose $67 a day.
And you divide that by 24, and that's how much you lose an hour.
Yep.
So if you're going to be in the trade for 2 hours or 3 hours, those little cents can add up depending on how many contracts you have. And so they can add up to be a big number if you have something like 10 contracts. So it is important.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Now for that same 247.50 on the monthly, that's only $28 a day.
Yeah, if you go with so also if you look at it from as just a pure, what are we looking at right now? The weeklies?
The top one is the weeklies. This one is the monthlies.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Right, if you look at it as a percentage of the option value from this perspective, 67 out of 400 and call it 420. You're talking 15%. So every day that goes, today it'll, tomorrow morning that'll be 15. We'll have lost 15% if the underlying does, if nothing changes, all else being the same. Of course, that's not, it'll change a little bit, but you're talking 15%. And then the next day, the theta value is actually going to grow bigger. It's going to be higher than 67. So the next day, maybe you're going to lose like 25% because there's only 3 days left, in that one. And if you look at it, the 28 cents at the same strike, 28 cents out of say 975, that is 2.8%. So you're losing only 2.8% of your contract value a day on that monthly, whereas on the weekly, every day that goes by, you're going to lose 15, then a bigger number the next day. It's going to be worthless, and that $4.20, if it doesn't change, will be worthless at expiry. So that's another way of thinking about how long am I going to be in the trade? How much time do I have to buy? How quickly is this contract going to, is the underlying going to move in my favor? I think it's always a better idea to buy more time than you think it's going to take, because if it takes longer, then you're fine. If it doesn't go as fast as you like it to when you're in a weekly,
Mm-hmm.
you lost money.
Yeah.
Probably quite a bit if you do it over and over again.